Vicky did what anyone would do. The sensible thing. The car was still under warranty. So she rang them up, explained the issue, losing coolant steadily, day by day. They told her to bring it in a couple of weeks. Oh, and she'd have to pay for diagnostics. And by the way, it probably wouldn't be covered anyway. Now here's the thing, Vicky's not just a customer, she's a regular. Been with me for a while. Trust goes both ways, so her next move, that was the true sensible one, if you asked me. She rang me. She had a flight coming up. Holiday bags already half packed. She didn't have time to chase call centres or wait for garage politics to play out. So I got her booked into a priority slot and headed straight to Brackla. Now coolant leaks can be subtle. You don't always see puddles. Sometimes it's just a low tank and a warning light you ignore once or twice. But the signs were there. I ran a pressure test and sure enough, there it was. A crack along the seam of the coolant bottle, just enough to let it seep under pressure, and a little lower down, a coolant pipe, perished and leaking just enough to keep the system losing fluid. Now here's what I love about this kind of work. It's quiet, focused, no guesswork. Just get the parts, strip it down and build it back up, better than before. The best part, she didn't have to leave her driveway. Got the new bottle fitted, pipes replaced, coolant flushed and refilled, system bled, pressure test ran again, held solid. We were back in business. And just like that, she was ready to go. No more worrying about breaking down on the way to the airport. No more watching the temperature gauge instead of the road. She could enjoy the journey before the journey. Now, not every job is dramatic. There's no explosions, no catastrophic failure, just someone trying to live their life. Go on holiday and not be fobbed off in the process. Sometimes showing up quickly, doing the job properly, and handing the keys back with a smile, that's all someone needs to get their peace of mind back. Enjoy your break, Vicky.